these children learn in schools from science teachers. Is the education system really linked correctly to science?
Frankly speaking, I don't think. Science should be taught not as a series of rules or laws to be learnt and memorized, but it is something which you have picked up by observing nature. So one is encouraged, or one should be encouraged to look at nature and ask questions and then try to find answers. So questions should be spontaneous and answers should be natural with respect to those questions, not something that you tell the student don't ask questions, this is not the right way. Rather one should say that ask as many questions as you like and I will try to answer. So the teacher should be accommodative in terms of inviting questions from students.